Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make a delicious and yummy paratha, that's cheese and garlic paratha. It's a bit different from other variety of parathas, but believe me, you're going to just love the taste. Those who like garlic bread will just fall in love with this paratha. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make delicious cheese and garlic paratha.
1 cup of all-purpose flour, that's maida, and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Fresh coriander chopped, few green chilies chopped, and garlic thinly sliced. Few cumin seeds and some salt. Some grated cheese and some cooking oil. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some salt to the flour and mix both the flours together. And I'm going to make a dough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some balls out of it. Take a little bit larger portion than the roti which we take normally. I'm going to dip it into the flour. And I'm going to start rolling it. After rolling out the chapati, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some flour. This will make the paratha nice and flaky. And onto this, I'm going to apply a little bit of oil as we apply for a normal paratha. And to this, I'm going to add the cheese. If you want, you can use mozzarella cheese or any other cheese, whichever you like. I'm using processed cheese. Okay, and to this I'm going to add the garlic, just like that. You can use more or less garlic. And onto this I added some coriander leaves and I'm adding few chopped green chilies. This is totally up to you. You can add this or you can just make it with only cheese. Alright, I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Here if you like you can add a bit of red chili powder also. But I've added green chilies. They're very spicy. So now I'm going to just fold this from this side and one fold from this side, right? And then I'm going to take this part and put it in between, and then alright, now dust some flour. I'm using all-purpose flour for dusting. Okay, just press it with your hands. And now, with the help of a rolling pin, just flatten it and make sure that it stays square. Don't worry, all the spices will come up. That's the fun part, because that's going to get crispy onto the tawa when you fry it. Alright. Make sure you make them a bit thicker, not too thin. Guys, this is one of a kind paratha. You should give it a try, because when first I made this, I was really not so fond of garlic. But when I had this, it was like amazing. So this is the thickness which I've kept. So just dust some flour and just put it onto a plate. Alright, I'm going to make one plain cheese one. I'll show you. Alright, so I'm going to roast them. Alright, I've heated a tawa, a non-stick tawa. Please use a non-stick pan or tawa. And to this now I'll put my paratha. As soon as you see that the bubbles are coming from side, what you have to do is just flip it. And now we'll apply the oil on this side. And flip it. And now apply oil on this side. Flip it once more. See how brown color it's got? So make sure you press it very nicely from the edges as well so that it doesn't stay raw from inside, because it's quite thick.
Alright, my paratha is all done, and you can serve this with some tomato sauce, and you better serve it hot because it tastes best while it's piping hot. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and share with your friends, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.